Impacts of VOC emissions on air pollution. Though we know that transportation causes emissions in urban communities, VCPs or volatile chemical products, these can be found in our homes, are actually contributing a lot more to urban pollution than we expected. So the claim is that the presence of volatile chemical products, though slowly emerging, are impacting the urban community and will lead to catastrophic events that will probably decrease that biodiversity. So VOC emissions directly correlated to limited biodiversity, especially for avian creatures, any creature whose natural habitat is the air. Because of dangerous chemicals emitted by these things, such as acetone and carbon monoxide, the actual carrying capacity, the number of individuals that can be supported in that specific environment, is lowered. Because chemicals emitted from VOCs dictate climatic conditions such as temperature and precipitation, they really indirectly affect resource availability, which is huge to ecosystems. We can see the prolonged effects of these chemicals compared to just regular automobile emissions on the left side of the graph. And rapid changes in abiotic factors cause many different species to die out because they basically don't have the traits to survive. And this will result in a trophic cascade, definitely trophic imbalances, especially if the birds, the avian species, are keystone species, which will cause imbalances. So if we look at the graph here, we can only see that actually 6% contribute to making other products such as petroleum. But 94% of these actually contribute to VOC emissions. So a fitting solution based on the statistic found by the article is to simply switch away from VOCs to more green products, such as eco-friendly toilet cleaners, EPA-approved dish soaps, non-carbonaceous aerosols emitted as part of VOC emissions. So the second solution, though it's a little bit more costly, will improve both indoor and outdoor air quality. So we can actually use activated carbon filters that can absorb SOAs, secondary organic aerosols, and organic contaminants to help mitigate the effects of these VOCs. And the article suggests that because a high fraction of the emissions from consumer VCPs occurs in residences and commercial buildings, our model shows that their chemical fingerprint should be even stronger in indoor air. So it's imperative that we use these carbon filters so that they don't diffuse out and into the atmosphere. Even after 3 hours of introduction, as noted by the y-axis, VCP indoors are more prolonged than outdoors, making solution number 2 a very strong choice to consider.